Today's topic is how to clear law GAT in easy way. गैट में डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ मार्क्स जो है वो कुछ इस तरह से है कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन जो हैं वो 10%, जुरिस्प्रूडेंस जो है वो 10%। जुरिस्प्रूडेंस में दो जुरिस्प्रूडेंस शामिल है, इस्लामिक जुरिस्प्रूडेंस और इंग्लिश जुरिस्प्रूडेंस। सिविल लॉ 20%, क्रिमिनल लॉ 20%, लॉ ऑफ एविडेंस 20%, इंटरनेशनल लॉ 10%, कैनन ऑफ प्रोफेशनल कंडक्ट एंड एटिकेट्स 5%, इंग्लिश लीगल लैंग्वेज लीगल टर्म्स जो हैं 5%। इसका मतलब है कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन से 10 क्वेश्चन आएंगे, जुरिस्प्रूडेंस से 10, सिविल लॉ से 20, क्रिमिनल लॉ से 20, लॉ ऑफ एविडेंस से 20 और इंटरनेशनल लॉ से 10 क्वेश्चन आएंगे। इस तरह से कैनन ऑफ प्रोफेशनल कंडक्ट एंड एटिकेट से 5 क्वेश्चन आएंगे, इंग्लिश लीगल लैंग्वेज या लीगल टर्म से 5 क्वेश्चन आएंगे। कैनन ऑफ प्रोफेशनल कंडक्ट एंड एटिकेट्स ऑफ एडवोकेट्स, इसमें 4 चीज़ें शामिल हैं। पहली जो चीज़ है वो कंडक्ट विद रिगार्ड टू अदर एडवोकेट्स, कि एक एडवोकेट का जो है वो कंडक्ट जो है दूसरे एडवोकेट के साथ किस किस्म का होगा। इसके अलावा कंडक्ट विद रिगार्ड टू क्लाइंट्स के साथ एडवोकेट का कंडक्ट कैसा होगा। तीसरा ड्यूटी टू द कोर्ट, के एडवोकेट की ड्यूटीज जो हैं वो कोर्ट के हवाले से क्या हो सकती हैं। चौथे नंबर पे कंडक्ट विद रिगार्ड टू द पब्लिक जनरली, कि पब्लिक के साथ इसका कंडक्ट जो है वो क्या होगा। यानी टोटली 4 किस्म के बिहेवियर जो हैं वो डिस्कस होंगे एडवोकेट्स के, दूसरे एडवोकेट के साथ, क्लाइंट के साथ, कोर्ट के साथ और पब्लिक के साथ। इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन जो हैं वो इसमें वो डिस्कस करते हैं। एक्सेप्टिंग अ प्रपोजल बाय अ पर्सन इज कॉल्ड प्रॉमिस, कि अगर कोई पर्सन जो है वो कोई प्रपोजल एक्सेप्ट करता है तो ये प्रॉमिस कहलाता है। एन एग्रीमेंट बेसिस ऑफ सम बेट इज कॉल्ड, कि अगर एक एग्रीमेंट में बेट शामिल हो तो ये एग्रीमेंट जो है वो बेगरिंग एग्रीमेंट कहलाएगा। डैमेजेस दैट आर स्टेटेड इन द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बाय द पार्टीज आर कॉल्ड लिक्विडेटेड डैमेजेस। इंजंक्शन इज अ रिलीफ, इंजेक्शन जो है वो किस किस्म का रिलीफ है, प्रिवेंटिव रिलीफ है। आफ्टर फ्रेमिंग ऑफ चार्ज इट इज़ रीड ओवर टू, कि चार्ज जब लगाया जाता है फ्रेमिंग के बाद ये पढ़ के सुनाया जाता है एक्यूज को। इंडिकेटिव देयर शुड बी एट लीस्ट पर्सनस, की इंडिकेटिव में कम अज़ कम पर्सन जो है वो 5 हो सकते हैं या होने चाहिए। पीरियड ऑफ इद्दत फॉर अ विडो इज़ 4 months 10 days। SCMR स्टैंड्स फॉर सुप्रीम कोर्ट मंथली रिव्यू। हु मे रेज प्ली ऑफ LB, एक्यूज्ड, एक्यूज जो है वो प्ली ले सकता है, प्ली ऑफ LB। A session judge may pass any sentence. Pecuniary jurisdiction of first class civil judges unlimited. Kinds of legislation are two. Right of review is a substantive या basic right. Where a court has no jurisdiction, then court will return the plaint. Injury on the head or face is called shajja. Tazir includes punishment of imprisonment, fine or both. Section 141 of PPC deals with unlawful assembly. Who will determine the value of fine? Court. Value of diyat is defined under Section 323 PPC. Pakistan Penal Code is substantive law. Theft deals with movable property. Violence used by the unlawful assembly is called rioting या fasad. Amount of diyat in qatl cases is 30,630 gram of silver. Intention to commit a crime with mutual participation is called common intention. Kinds of persons are two: natural and legal. Jurisprudence is the science of law said by Salmon. Literal meaning of qiyas are to measure, to compare, to weigh up. Abu Hanifa died in the year 150 AH. Aqd means contract. A Muslim who converts himself to another religion is called infidel. Confession means evidence of a person against himself who is judgment debtor, against whom judgment is made. Pleading, statement of cause of action. Order 6 of CPC. Burden of proof should lie on prosecution. Article 117 Kanun-e-Shahadat. Remand courts mean court that remands the case to its subordinate court as session court to magistrate court. Who is respondent? Defendant. Ratio decidendi, rule of law on which judicial decision is made. Prima facie case, a case fit for trial. Age of female for marriage under Muslim personal law is 16 years. Adjudication means court judgment. Nature of PPC law is substantive. Chief executive in Pakistan is Prime Minister. Privileged communication, communication between client and counsel, communication between husband and wife cannot be disclosed to court without the consent of parties. Article states the territory of Pakistan. Article number 1. Islam is declared state religion under Article 2. Urdu is official language of Pakistan under Article 251. Constitution of Pakistan 1973 contains 280 articles and 12 parts. There can be no law without a legislative act, is said by Austin. Talaq kinds 3. Waqf means detention. Dower types 4. An agreement to make a gift for love and affection must be in written and registered. Damages awarded in tort are called damages. Kind of nuisance and act are illegal omission which causes any common injury, danger to anyone, to the people in general who dwell or occupy property in the vicinity. Kinds of nuisance 2. Removal of public nuisance, section 133 of CRPC. Parties in the court of law will litigate specific relief defined as relief in personam. Nothing is offence under age of 7 years. Life imprisonment 25 years. Kind of punishment under PPC 10. Kinds of abatement 3. Harsh mean punishment. Kinds of qatl under PPC 3. Burden of proof is on the party who asserts something. A person with a plea of self-defense, then burden of proof is on the defense. Leading question may be asked in cross-examination. Charged with traveling on train without ticket, the burden of proof is on the accused. कि अगर आप जो है वो पर्सन जो है वो ट्रेन पे बगैर टिकट के सफ़र कर रहा है तो बर्डन ऑफ प्रूफ किस पे होगा? एक्यूज पे. Confession made to a police officer cannot be proved. An admission can be oral or documentary. Documentary evidence can also hearsay. कि एक सुनी सुनाई बात भी डॉक्यूमेंट्री एविडेंस हो सकती है. प्राइवेट इंटरनेशनल लॉ आर रूल्स टू रिजॉल्व लीगल डिस्प्यूट बिटवीन प्राइवेट इंडिविजुअल्स who cross international boundaries. A lawyer have fiduciary relation with his client if he disclose all the information to his client. Legal obligation or duty now or in the future is called liability. Challenging to a court decision is in higher court is called appearance. Form of security for payment of debt is charged. To put something off to another time is called adjourn. Management and settlement of an estate is called administration. Proceeding in civil court is called action. Written amendment or addition to an existing will is called codicil. Court order agreed between both sides is called consent order. To leave property in the custody of another is called consign. Legal process of interpreting a phrase or document is called construction. Deliberate discharge of court order is called contempt. The basis of all commercial dealing is called contract. Respondent claim against a plaintiff in the same action is called counterclaim. Act or omission forbidden by criminal law is called crime. Beneficiary of a life estate is called life tenant. Person's right to take an action or be heard by a court is called locus standi. Right to hold property which is sold but not finally paid for is called lien. Former written direction by a judge is called an order. Deliberate lie under oath or in a sworn affidavit is called perjure. Forever or unlimited duration is called perpetuity. Response to claim by plaintiff is called defense. Person who swears an affidavit or deposition is called deponent. Person born of or from children of another is called descendant. Person appointed by a testator to administer a will is called executor. A right over a neighbor's land or waterway is called easement. Division proportionate to certain rate of interest is called pro rata. Right of owners of land on a river bank are called riparian rights. Barrister who has taken silk is called senior counsel. Giving something in exchange of something else is called quid pro quo. Decision to be given to a later date is called reserved judgment. Written command to a person to appear in court is called summon. Enforceable promise given to court is called undertaking. Profit unjustly obtained by a wrongdoer is called ultra-virus. Excessive or illegal interest rate is called usury. Decision of a jury is called verdict. Loaded question are just like leading question. Article which permit party to ask leading question is 150. Dispute concerning land deals in section 145 of CRPC. Effect of order made under section under 145 CRPC is final and conclusive. Probation section 1562. Gathering of 5 or more person is called unlawful assembly. Bail before arrest under section 496 to 498. Wound types: incised wound, lacerated wound, stab or puncture wound, amputation. Vessel is termed as ship or boat used for navigation. Positive enactment to which state gives force of law is called statute. Provisa is a Latin word and it means a part of that section to which it is attached. What is difference between directly and mandatory statute? डायरेक्टली जो है वो इम्पेरेटिव है यानी ताकीदी है और मैंडेटरी जो है वो परमिसिव है. An offender cannot be punished twice for the same offense. Section 403 of CRPC. Rule of locus potentia. Your authority is section number 21. Security of loan is called mortgage. Permanent dedication of property for religious purpose is called waqf. A document for transfer of property from owner and which is effective after his death is called will. And there are two types of will, oral and written. Parties of will are testator and legatee. Circumstances under which will can be cancelled. In favor of one higher or stranger, property not more than one third. To unborn child, death of legatee, property sold before death, future property, contingent will, subsequent will for already willed property. Presumption types 2. Presumption of fact natural, presumption rebutable काबिल तरदीद. Presumption of law, legal fiction, rebutable or not. Identification parade, number of dummies at least 8 to 9. Corroborative value, तायदी और तस्दीकी. Identification parade as corroborative value. Plea of general exception or plea of alibi. मौके वारदात से अदम मौजूदगी का उज़्र. Juris Latin word means grammar of law. Jurisprudence count 6. What is prospectus? A document containing information about purchase of shares, debentures, notice, circular, advertisement and deposit is called prospectus. Difference between private company and public company in terms of members. Private company have at least 2 and maximum 50, while public company can have minimum 7 to unlimited members. Statutory meeting of a company is first meeting of company only once in start of any company. Written statement of plaintiff claim is called plaint. Kinds of defamation, libel and slander. Libel is written defamation and slander is oral defamation. Kinds of damages, special damages, general damages, contemptuous damages, substantial damages, nominal damages, exemplary damages and actual damages. Negligence simply is the breach of duty to take care and such breach result in damage by the defendant to the plaintiff. Tort, intentional or accidental severe wrong. Salt mean hamla, gesture or preparation against someone to threat him. Battery mean जद्दोकोप करना या coercion, using force to harm someone. Negligence mean failure to care. Kinds of negligence, contributory negligence, inevitable accident or act of God. Source of law. There are five sources of law. First is Quran, second is Sunnah, third Ijma, four Qiyas and five Ijtihad. Difference between Had and Tazir. Had is violation of Hakukullah while Tazir is violation of Hakukul Ibad. To ratify or to approve or to punish is called sanction. Judge means the presiding officer of a civil court. Difference between jizya and khiraj. Both are taxes collected from non-Muslims while khiraj is agriculture tax. Mode of searching woman. Section 52. Whenever it is necessary to cause a woman to be searched, the search shall be made by another woman with strict regard to decency. When police may arrest without warrant is section 54 and arrest of vagabonds, habitual robbers etc. is section 55. Vagabonds mean avaragard. Movable property includes growing crops, section 189. Public nuisance, section 133. Unlawful assembly 127. Inspection of weight and measures by magistrate 153 section. Power to record statement and confession section 164. Police to inquire on suicide etc. section 174. Total CRPC sections are 565. Burden of proof section 117. What sentence can be passed by a magistrate? Magistrate first class 3 year and 40,000. 3 year detention and 40,000 fine. Magistrate second class first year detention and 15,000 fine. Magistrate third class 1 month detention and 3,000 fine.